Are ejaculation and orgasms nature's ECT, aka shock treatment? Having assisted in the surgical suite setup for clinicians doing ECTs and getting the layman's explanation of its benefits, resetting the brain, the mind, I thought about the parallel associations of the effects of intense ejaculations and orgasms to the effects of ECT treatments. Since few of us have ever gone through or observed ECT treatments, but have experienced either a coital or an autoerotic orgasm, I will try to equate the latter experience to the former observation. First, during ECT treatments, the patient will go into a convulsively mild bucking. You may have known the same experience if you were on the bottom at the time of your ejaculation or orgasm. Very, very similar physical movements of the hips raising and back arching occurs. Second, you all may have heard of the expression, "fuck your brains out." That description of the thought-clearing state of relaxed bliss at the moments after climax. This is the purpose and clinically described effects of ECT, the light show effects. So, for you suffering from depression or non-person directed obsessive thoughts and fetishes, you can be your own physician and heal thyself. It's within arm's reach of your capabilities.